Hi guys, good afternoon. Si Gilby Aguirre po ito ng Attraction Marketing with Lami 9. Dito po ako ngayon sa Robinsons. Kakatapos lang po ng Six Sigma training, module 1. So guys, as you can see, makikita mo dun sa sila Doc Fruto. He is the speaker, the trainer sa Six Sigma. If you know guys, this Six Sigma training sa labas binabayad na ito ng 12,000 to 25,000 per meeting. So dito po libre lang. Kasi ano matututunan mo doon? Leadership skills, prospecting, understanding network marketing, kung paano kayo makaka-relate sa mga prospect na negative sa networking. So guys, I inviting you to come July 25, next Wednesday, 2012. Please come. This training is a free training. Okay? What you will do is just buy a module and then that's it. But you can attend our training Wednesday, July 25, next week. Please come on time kasi nga sinasarado yung door after 12:30 p.m. So please guys, please come. I'll be giving a free material sa mga pupunta sa training natin at the same time. So see you guys and God bless. Bye.